Hello. Our key question today, how do I read treble clef notation? What information are we given on a piece of music? Why do you think it's important to be able to notate music? So have a look at this piece of music here. I'd like you to press pause, write your answers down, and when you're ready, press play. Okay, so let's have a look. We've got a title up at the top. We've got the name of the composer. We've got the date of birth and date of death for this composer. Don't always see that, but it's on this one. This bracket here tells us that we need to play both these lines at the same time. This is a treble clef. This is a bass clef. This is a key signature and it tells us what flats and sharps we need to play in the piece. Then we've got a time signature. This tells us how many beats there are in the bar. And then we've got all our notes. So we've got a rest here, and then we've got the notes C, B, C, G, A flat, and so on. So we're going to learn how to read these notes of the treble clef today, and we're also going to learn that this C is a specific C on the keyboard, and this C is another C on the keyboard. So it tells us which one exactly to play. There is a special name for writing music down. It is called musical notation. So the stave are the 5 lines that you can see going horizontal across the length of the page. Some notes are written on lines and some are in spaces. So this note here is in a space. I know that because the circle is the note. The circle has a line above it and below it. So it is sat in a space in between the lines. This circle has a line going straight through the centre of it. So that one is on a line. This circle is in a space because there's a line above and below, so it is sat in a space in between the lines. This circle is on a line and it has got a line going through the centre of the circle. So these notes are given different names to tell us which notes to play on the instrument. This first circle is in the note C. This one is a D. This one is an A, and this one is an F. Ways to remember which note is which. So if the note, the circle, has a line going through it, then we're going to use this rhyme. Every good boy deserves football, and each note takes the first letter of each word. So this note, the circle, is going through the bottom line, so that is every, and the note is E. This circle is on the second line up, so that is good, and the note is a G. This circle, 1, 2, third line up. That is the word boy, so the note is a B. This circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, deserves. So that's the note D. And this circle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right on the top line, football, and it's the note F. The notes in the spaces are easy because they spell face. So we know it's in a space because the line is above and below the circle. And when it's in the first space, it's the letter F. When it's in the second space, it's the letter A. When it's in the third, it's the letter C. And when it's in the fourth space, the one at the top, it's the letter E. The letters follow each other on the stave. So the red boxes are the notes sat on the lines. And you can see they are making Every Good Boy Deserves Football. The green boxes are the notes in between the lines, in the spaces, and they are making the word face. So when we go from a line to a space, we move up one note. To the next line, we're moving up one note, and then we're moving up one more note. And you can see E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. It just follows the letters of the alphabet, and after G comes A.